In this video, I will show you how to insert page numbers in Microsoft Word. It's so simple. Let's get started. Here I have a Word document that's like 6 or 7 pages long, and if I'm going to be sharing this with people, maybe my students, or if I'm going to be giving this as a speech, it may be important to have page numbers so we can all be on the right page. To add page numbers, just go to Insert, and look in the header and footer group, and you could manually select header and put something in the header. You could select footer and put something in the footer. But in our case, all we need is a page number. So I'll click on page number. Do I want it at the top of the page, the bottom of the page, in the margins? My preference is the bottom of the page, and I like it in the center. But we also have an option at the left, at the right, and a few other options. I'll select centered at the bottom of the page. Now, as I browse through my document, I can easily see that this is a 5-page document. Now notice that my cover page does not have a page number. Microsoft Word was smart enough to notice that this is a cover page, it's not really page number 1, and so it started the numbering on page 2. If that's not what you want, you can use this header and footer tab to make some changes. For example, you could turn this off, different first page, and now notice what happens. My cover page has a number. It's 0. I'm going to put that back on, and the 0 disappears. I can also use the header and footer group that's now here at the left, and I can click on page number, format page numbers, and a dialog box appears. So now I can change the page numbering to start at maybe page 2, page 3, whatever I want. Let's try page 3. I'll click OK. Now, as I browse down my document, there is no number on my cover page, which makes sense, and my first real page starts with a number 3. There may be cases when you want it to start with number 2 and yet not have a page number at the bottom of page 1. So again, to do that, header and footer, page number, format page numbers, and just start at page 2. Click OK. Page 1 has no number, it's the cover page, and my first real page has the number 2. And so using this header and footer tab and the page number option here, format page numbers, that's how you can adjust the automatic page numbering that gets added to your document. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support the channel, become a channel member. It's the best. You could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch, and you'll see information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of supporting the channel, thank you to my Super Techie channel supporters.